Is your PS4 randomly dropping its Wi-Fi connection in the middle of a game? Signal interference, wall obstructions, or frequency band drops are usually to blame. Let's go over quick fixes to keep your PlayStation 4 stably connected online. Hit subscribe and let's fix it. Connect via Ethernet, LAN cable. First, open Settings from the PS4 main dashboard. Navigate to Network, then click Setup Internet Connection. Next, choose Use a LAN cable. Select Easy for a fast, reliable, and lag-free connection. Change Wi-Fi frequency band to 2.4 GHz. In Setup Internet Connection, choose Use Wi-Fi and select Easy. When the list of available Wi-Fi networks appears, press the Options button on your DualShock controller. Next, select Wi-Fi frequency bands from the side menu. Change the setting from automatic or 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz only to prioritize signal stability over short-range speed. Then, select your Wi-Fi network, re-enter your password if prompted, and complete the connection test. Physical placement and obstruction check. First, move your PS4 console closer to your wireless router to ensure stronger signal coverage. Then, clear any obstructions between your console and router. Make sure there aren't any thick walls, metal objects, or competing wireless electronics placed directly between them. And your PS4 should now stay solidly